More than 50 years ago, the first ever mechanical carving aid was presented by Rheintechnik company. At this time it was sensational and the beginning of an unparalleled success story, since more than 1 million units have been sold worldwide. Continuous development has given rise to numerous patents which form the basis of our innovative quality products. Our newest development, the top model HK2060, is the first carving aid with an effective traction power control system recognized by the DLG. HK carving aids, optimum safety for cow and calf. Arrange a clean place to lie the newborn calf, preferable with straw. Also take care that you have enough space for fixing your HK carving aid. Thoroughly examine the cow to get an exact overview of the position of the calf. Pay attention to work with utmost cleanliness. Thoroughly clean the carving ropes before each application. Make a loop, place it around the pasterns and tighten it. Suspend the carving ropes at the hooks of the ratchet mechanism via the prepared knots. It should be as short as possible. Arrange the carving aid with the HK Flexi clamp crosswise directly under the orifice of the vagina. While observing the contractions, move the handle of the ratchet mechanism up and down and assist by pulling in a controlled manner. If possible, take care that the ropes are always stretched. The correct pulling direction is very important to achieve the desired success of the mechanical pulling aid. In the beginning, pull straight in accordance with the extension of the spinal column of the mother. When the head and the shoulders have come out, pull towards the udder by slowly tilting the shaft downwards. Rheintechnik carving aids are indispensable to support the process of birth. The machine can save cow and calf's life. Therefore, the Rheintechnik carving aid must be placed in each barn. However, applying mechanical pulling aid requires a sound knowledge of the process of birth. For presentations that cannot be corrected, as well as in case of an oversized fetus, a vet should be consulted. Our top model, HK2060, has an effective traction power control system. Even in difficult situations, optimum safety and ease of handling is guaranteed. To set the traction power, the limiting lever should be placed in the desired position. Initial settings for the pulling aid should not exceed 100 kilograms. Once this traction power has been reached, the handle is locked. If the handle continues to be locked, despite the next contraction being started, the traction power is too low. The next higher setting should be chosen using the limiting lever. To do this, use your other hand to push down the pin. The setting up to 160 kilograms is sufficient to successfully complete the great majority of births. It may be necessary, in a few individual cases, to override the traction power limit. To do so, press down the pin in the red triangle and at the same time move the limiting lever. As with all models, the mechanism can be moved around the tube. It has a spade handle, 2 hooks which ensure a constant pulling force and can be released quickly under load. To do so, press the release lever with your thumb. The ratchet can now easily be pushed in the direction of the attachment support. The HK Flexi clamp is available in 2 different sizes, a smaller size for milking cows and a bigger one for meat cows. Beside our top model HK2060, we have 2 other models for choice. The G126 and G121 models are equipped with the ratchet mechanism 2020. This has 3 hooks for either steady or alternating pull and an easy-to-use quick-release mechanism. All models can be equipped with the HK Flexi clamp for milking cows or meat cows. Both versions have a perfect fit and easy handling. Our basic G121 model has a smaller plastic support with angular side pieces. Please ask your supplier for Rheintechnik HK carving aids, those with optimum safety for cow and calf.